Apple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 5 Maths, I'm your teacher Disha. Here are your friends.
I'm Gopi.
I'm Abhi.
Dear students, today I'm going to teach you Chapter 12, National Park, Views and Maps. During this vacation, Kamakshi and her father are planning to visit some new places. Let's see their conversation.
Kamakshi, on this vacation, we will visit a national park.
I have a book of maps. Can we decide where we should go?
Kamakshi, we live in the center of the country. Can you tell me which national park is the closest to our state?
Yes, Papa. We live in Madhya Pradesh and the closest national park to our state is Kanha National Park.
You are right, Kamakshi, and Kanha National Park is the largest national park in India.
Wow, Papa. It will be great fun to visit the largest national park in India.
Dear students, have you seen how Kamakshi has chosen the closest national park in her state using the map? Let's explore more about the wonders of maps and views with Whoopi and Appy. Maps. Look at the map. This is a tourist track map of Kaziranga National Park. It shows the drawing of Kaziranga National Park and the space around it. From the map, we can observe the positions of each place located on the map. For example, we can see that the river Brahmaputra is located to the north and the National Highway 37 is located to the south of the national park. With the help of a map, we can find the routes and measure the distance between them. A map is a visual tool that is created on a flat surface to locate places, find routes, and measure distances.
मतलब मैप की हेल्प से हम हमारी पोजीशन जानकर हमारे डेस्टिनेशन को इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं.
Components of a map. Title. Each map shows its content and content of the map is called the title. A map has 4 components: title, directions, scale, and key. Let's learn about each component in detail. Title. A map title is an element that describes the theme or subject of the map. Each book has a title, and every story also has a title or name. This map's title is Tourist Track Map of Kaziranga National Park. It shows the various places in Kaziranga National Park.
बुक और किसी कहानी की तरह मैप का टाइटल भी मैप में क्या दिखाया गया है ये बताता है.
Directions. Can you tell me in which direction the sun rises?
Yes, the sun rises in the east.
Good. The 4 directions are east, west, north, and south. Directions help to direct a ship or aircraft from one place to another safely. Sailors and pilots use the signs of navigation to safely move from one place to another. See the given image. North is located at the top of the map. South is located at the bottom of the map. East is on the right and west is on the left. There are also 4 intermediate directions. Northeast, it is the area between the north and the east. Northwest, it is the area between the north and the west. Southeast, it is the area between the south and the east. Southwest, it is the area between the south and the west. A compass is a navigational instrument that helps to find directions.
मतलब 4 मेन डायरेक्शंस ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ और साउथ होती हैं और इन डायरेक्शंस के बीच का पार्ट इंटरमीडिएट डायरेक्शंस होता है.
Scale. We know that the maps show a larger area on a small sheet of paper. As seen on the given map, the marked distance measured 5 km. With the help of scale, we can compare how big or small the places are. As with scales, maps provide us with an idea of comparison.
It is very interesting. Please tell me how to use scales on maps.
Let's learn it from an example. The distance between Indore and Kanha National Park is 677 kilometers. To show this distance on paper, we use smaller units to represent large units. Observe the image that shows how to reduce large distances to a lower scale. Here, 1 centimeter shows 100 kilometer on the ground. So, 1 centimeter equals 100 kilometers. 2 centimeters equal 200 kilometers. 3 centimeters equals 300 kilometers. 6 centimeters equals 600 kilometers. 7 centimeters equals 700 kilometers. And the point after 7 small markings after 6 centimeters shows 677 kilometers. The scale of a map is the ratio of the distance on the map to the correlative distance on the ground.
स्केल मैप पर दिखाई गई दूरी और रियल दूरी के संबंध या अनुपात को दर्शाती है.
Key. Do you know that cartographers or map designers use symbols to represent different elements of a map?
Really? Please explain to me. What are these symbols?
These symbols or legends, also called keys, are the map features that show you how to interpret these symbols. The purpose of a map legend, also known as a key, is to provide an explanation of the symbols, colors, and other visual elements used on a map. Here is why it's essential. Maps use various symbols to represent features such as roads, rivers, cities, and natural landmarks. The legend explains what each symbol stands for. For example, in this map, a yellow circle with a red boundary indicates the Office of Range. A solid red line represents the National Highway. 2 parallel lines show the track. A small green hut represents the rest house, and a combination of big and small black huts shows villages.
मतलब मैप्स में हम सिंबल्स का यूज करके डिफरेंट फीचर्स को शो करते हैं.
Students, in this chapter, you have learnt about maps, components of maps, title, direction, scale, and keys. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.